Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this interactive grass with character in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. So let's start this video how I created this. So I have this empty project in Unreal Engine 5 and I quickly import one of the asset, that is grass I have already. So you can create your own grass. And where's my grass? Okay, this is grass and I'll just import it with the texture, and this looks like this is my grass. Okay, and see, the material is not two-sided, so let me just open the material with this simple texture and make it two-sided. It doesn't have normal, so it's okay. Now we have this grass. Okay, so, and if I place it here, it's tiny and I can scale this so you can see properly how it looks. Let me make 50. Oops, 50. So this is my grass. Okay, so I'll just make a folder quickly, that will be my grass, and I'll move these things into that. And now I will create a Niagara and I will take the fountain, and this will be my grass. Okay, so now will be my grass, and I'll remove these things that I don't require right now, and let's spawn 500 particles and 500 particle life. I'll make it constant, like 5, and this will be only 5. And now I will take the mesh renderer, and I have only one mesh, that is my grass, and the material also. All the